What's up, guys? It's Dorian. You'll have to excuse my voice. I've been pretty sick for the last few days, and I'm getting over it, but I've been trying to hold off doing a video, but I'll just talk about what I'm doing right now, just for the heck of it, a little vlog. I'm probably going to start posting up more of these every now and then. And so, what am I up to? Well, I'm working on the control panel for Scion Linux, and I've got a couple of other little things that I'm playing around with. One being, put that away. Um, yeah, software that's going to be included in Scion. I'm uh, I'm not too keen lately on calling it a full distro. Really, it's just going to be like my own little version. I don't know. I'll call it a distro because that's what people call it, but it's not going to be some huge official thing backed by a corporation or whatever. And I know that like one man dev distros, that they don't make it, but this is just going to be something that I'm going to throw up there. And if other people want to make stuff for it, help out, whatever, that's cool. Um, but I just don't have time to maintain and update it all the time. So it's going to be something for people to play with. So yeah, what am I doing? I have, let me just make it re-executable again. All right. So this program that I'm running, as you can see, it's doing stuff here. Tells you how many updates are available. This is going to be something that's going to be kind of built in or baked into the open box. It's going to be this system tray icon here, and if you right click on it, it's going to have like notifications. Like if I just click on it now, it'll pop up 44 updates available. You could right click, you could turn it off, you could say check now, install, or exit it if you want. So this is just going to be something that's going to be running as a little system update or something lightweight that doesn't use a lot of resources. And yeah, you could say, check for updates. This is one thing I have to tweak with the policy kit is get rid of the prompt for the password just to check for updates. Like I said, it'll be a policy kit thing, and tweak that, and then it can check without asking for the password every time. So yeah, it just popped up and said there's updates available, and then you can go in here, say install updates. I might even do another option where it'll check for updates and just install. If you're one of those people, you don't care, just go ahead, yeah, install it, or it'll just pop up saying, there are updates. Do you want them installed now? You just say yes or no. Haven't decided yet. And then I have, so yeah, this is called zinc. I have another one called sodium. They're, yeah, elements. But anyways, sodium is going to be CPU throttling. So you can have it, you can switch it to power save mode or performance mode. You can limit, you only want your processor to run at 2 gigahertz maximum, things like that. Things that OpenBox doesn't have, something simple like this can benefit from. And yeah, other than that, if you saw on my Twitter and whatnot, I've been playing around a lot with like logo ideas. I had this thing which for some reason I didn't clue in right away. Uh, I did make this from scratch. I did not copy this. I actually drew this, believe it or not. I can show you here. Where is it? Scion. Yeah. See, I drew this. Go edit. I made this. I did not copy it from the USB logo. I had lots of different things I was working on here. But yeah, it took me a while to realize that this looks a lot like the USB icon. I was going for, branches, kind of a tree thing. tried lots of different things, and I was like, nah, like this doesn't work. So I'm going off on a different direction here. And I posted these on my Twitter too. Um, so this depicts a solar system, right? You got the sun and planets. I'm not going to do a lot of planets because it has to scale well, right? So if it's a small icon, um, it still has to show up decently. No color, I wasn't a fan of. I'm still tweaking colors. I tried black outline. The black outline looks good, but this is going to be like the logo. It's also going to be, you know, the main image you're going to see branded all over it, I guess. And I did one that is with the planets in front, but I thought it looked like a colorful worm, so I was like, yeah, no. And I did one with textures. So I tried to, you know, mimic textures of the sun and Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, and I think this one was Uranus or Neptune. Which one has the rings? I don't remember. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I've been playing with. So I've gone from this to this, which I think looks better. And I might write Scion in the sun. I haven't decided yet. Probably not. Maybe I'll just put an S. I don't know. I haven't decided. But yeah, that's what I'm playing with right now. Nothing terribly exciting, but I'm hoping that people start downloading Scion. I've got the link on SourceForge up, so go ahead, download it, install it, try it out. The installer is it works. I like it because it's simple, but I am going to do something a little nicer. But yeah, that is what I'm up to now. So hopefully you're watching this as a Patreon, as a Patreon patron, and yeah, and I'm gonna probably start releasing these on YouTube slowly. Probably not all of them if I don't get any patrons, but I'm gonna start uploading a lot more content for patrons only, and then see where that gets me. Anyways, that's it for now. Um, Leave me some comments, and don't forget to follow me at Dorian.slash. And until next time, bash on.